Who's at fault here? That's why using a smart dash cam is a smart move for your business. For more information and to get free dash cam quotes, click below to visit Expert Marketer Day. Dash cams can speed up insurance claims, saving your business money and slashing time in the courtroom. But how do they work? Smart dash cams can identify dangerous driving using artificial intelligence. Dash cams detect, collect, and send hazardous behavior to your fleet supervisor via the cloud. No matter the size of your fleet, there are dash cams to match. Dual-facing dash cams can help exonerate your drivers by providing clear evidence for insurance claims. Interior dash cams focus on the driver, helping to identify distractions and driver fatigue, preventing accidents waiting to happen. For larger vehicles, 360-degree dash cams feed live footage into the cabin, giving your drivers eyes at the back of their heads. And if you want to keep your goods safe overnight, parking mode keeps your dash cam running at all times, even when your vehicle is not. Think your business could benefit from dash cams? You're not alone. If you're looking for a more hands-on approach to fleet management, then visit Expert Marketer Day for quick, free quotes from leading dash cam suppliers.